Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be learning how to design and print double-sided designs in Canva. It's actually a very simple and easy process. Let's take an example. Here is a design you've already created and you want to print it double-sided. This one is in the beauty niche and beauty category. So here's the design and I want to print it double-sided. Once your design is finalized, you should go to this section for printable files. You should go to Download, and in the Download options, select the Print File, because print files require a PDF. So go with the printing file and click Download. Choose the PDF print option, and it's downloading as a PDF now. Right now, you can just click Share Done, and after that, you will see, how nice! Both sides of the design have already been exported. Now I want to print it, so let's proceed. Go to Print, and after that, what you can do is select the correct option. Yes, you should. After that, if you like, you can save it and proceed to print. And after that, you will see the two-sided print option. Make sure both sides are selected. In your printing options, there will be a two-sided checkbox. Print it on both sides. If you click on that, then after printing, your design will be printed on both sides. This will be the front page, and the back side will print as intended. This is how you can simply print double-sided in Canva. It's a very simple and easy process. You can print business cards, flyers, and everything else double-sided. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or are confused about Canva, feel free to comment down below. We'll respond, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!